So lately I've been unable to drive my Mercedes because the rust is so bad on the driver's side that you're pretty much riding on the ground. So now that I've got the now that I have the decals on around the lights, the vinyl wrap, I really want to drive the thing around. So I'm actually going to just do a quick fix of the floor pan. It's going to be kind of hack, but it should be pretty durable. So I'll show you guys the rust spot that I'm dealing with. So that's the rust. It's pretty bad. So I'm going to try and fix that now. Hopefully it goes well and I can just kind of grind it, weld a plate over it, and kind of refix it to the frame that's already here. They can see, and it should hold and be okay. Alright, so basically what we're going to do is I'm going to cut some panels and we're going to weld them across this strip, this flat, and that should kind of hold everything together. So I'm going to grind it all and clean it up. Alright, so what I got here is I have some sheets of metal. I'm going to kind of bend these and weld them along this ridge to kind of remake the floor. I have the thicker piece, but I think it's too thick in relation to how thin the floor actually is. I don't think I'd be able to get a good weld between the two because it would require too much heat on the thicker piece to weld it to these thin floors. But I'm going to do my best. We'll see how it goes, and I'm going to start welding it together now. Alright, so kind of hacky, but it's going. I mean, I got part of it done. Kind of plating it back up. It's holding. So I'm restoring that byline again. So yesterday when I was doing my rust repair, my camera ran out of batteries and it got dark, so I wasn't able to actually show you guys what I did. But if you look, you can see that I no longer have a big rusty hole through the whole length of my floor. So this is all steel plate that I welded into the side, and I used a jack and pushed up, and then I attached the other side too, seam sealed it, and painted it all with undercoat. So the repair is pretty solid now. I don't get any movement in my seat. As you can see, the seat is now, I'm getting movement in the seat. The seat's solid now. It's not moving all over the place. Before, this seat was just moving around. So it wasn't attached to anything because it was poking through the ground. So all in all, pretty solid repair. And the car's at least drivable now until I get some airbags in it. So I'm pretty happy with the repair. And as I said, I would show it to you guys, but it got dark and my battery died. So I wasn't able to do that. But overall, the Benz is doing all right. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching as always. You can catch me on Instagram at Lowristocrat.